Привет, меня зовут Сиэль. Продвигаюсь как Сиэль Голден. Сейчас мы с Нью работаем над новой песней.
Late with half your makeup on. This method acting might pay our bills, but soon enough they'll be no fill. I love this feeling, but I hate this part. I wanted this to work so much. I drew up our plans on a chart. Cars are flipping, I'm in hopeless view. My character's strong, but my head is mushy. It's like extra.
Надеюсь, зайдет или не зайдет.